How to find your lost Android phone quickly. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. After opening your web browser, go to the search bar on the top. On the search bar, type in google.com/android/find. After typing in this address, search for it. When you do that, then this kind of interface will appear. Obviously, you have to do this on another device, but you need to know the Gmail address from which your previous device was signed in. Here at the top right corner, you will see a profile icon. You can click on the profile icon to enter your Gmail and password. Once you are logged in, then it will find your device. Once it finds the device, you can control your device. At the bottom, you will see three options that you can do. Factory Reset Device. Factory Reset Device option will delete all the existing data from your device. The second one is Secure Device. You can click on this option to possibly lock your device. If the device is near you but you cannot seem to find it, you can play sound. When you click on play sound, then your device will make sound. It will make sound even if it's in silent mode. So anytime your device is lost, you can simply find it by using these methods. That's all for today. Thank you.